Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the process on how to upload photos on Google Drive. Google Drive is a great app where you can store not only photos but all the files of your device and you can easily transfer it. To get started, open up your Google Drive application. Next, you can create a folder and then upload the photos there. To do that, tap on the plus icon here and then tap on folder. You can name this folder anything you want. Tap on create. After the photos folder has been created, tap open it and again tap on the plus. Now you need to tap on upload. Then upload the photos from your device. After you tap on the photo that you want to upload, it will automatically be uploaded. And after a few seconds, the photo will be uploaded. If you want, you can directly share this photo from the Google Drive. Tap on the three dots and then tap on share. Here you can add people or create groups. You can tap in the email address of the people that you want to share this photo. Just like that, you can add multiple photos to it by selecting multiple photos at once. You can also share the entire folder by tapping on the three dots again, and you can do the same process. You can also share this link. Tap on copy link and you can share this link and the people you shared it can download it easily.